Hey dude, with all this talk about plasmoids in the sky, a lot of people have been asking us to try and go ahead and explain what they are. Do you think we can do that? I can definitely try, but something so complex in my mind doesn't come out simply. In other words, I'm autistic as fuck. But here we go. The best way to explain what a plasmoid is by looking at the sun. On a massive level, the sun is a plasmoid. Let's back up real quick to elementary school to the four states of matter. Okay, so you're talking about solids, liquids, gases, and plasma. Exactly. Everything within the sun is technically plasma, superheated gas where atoms have lost their electron. And because it's such at a massive level, it actually creates its own magnetic field around it. But all these plasmoids people are claiming to see in the sky aren't nearly as big as the sun. What gives? Well, that's the very interesting thing when you get to the more intricate workings of how plasmoids work. In some instances, it's theorized that a galaxy is technically a plasmoid. But then there are plasmoids that are only 10 centimeters big, such as the ones we create in our own laboratories. And what's even crazier is the size isn't necessarily exclusive to the power that's actually within the magnetic field. Let's give a visual example. The shape of a plasmoid, a lot of people think, is like this ball of yarn. But in all actuality, it's more like this. A flatter type of thing. The best visualization I could give you, I don't have one, is a donut. Everybody's seeing this in the sky from different angles all around, when in reality, it's more shaped like this wrapping around itself, like a donut. So here is a two-dimensional figure that I can show you within movement that explains what I mean. As you can see, in moving, it looks like it's a ball, but in reality, it's more of a donut revolving around an axis. Okay, I'm following you. But explain this. There was a drone that flew up to one the other night and just fell right out of the sky when it got real close. Why's that? Well, knowing what we know so far, and that plasmoids are virtually stars, so to speak, what would happen if you got too close to the sun? Oh, the radiation would fry my internal configuration and I would literally just cease to exist. Precisely. And that's why people that show up to these crashed drones when they get too close to these things have been known to wear hazmat suits. Because again, plasmoids are like stars. Stars give off radiation. Radiation tends to fry things, especially electronic. That's why if you were to approach the sun, the closer you get, the hotter it gets, of course. But before you get close enough to even quote-unquote melt or burn and to cease to exist physically, your internal organs would shut down. Now, in my opinion, the craziest thing when understanding plasmoids is they would help us understand black holes and technically, quote-unquote, what a wormhole would be for interdimensional travel. Oh, sweet, so these things are in the sky because aliens might be visiting us? I mean, technically I can't disprove that theory, but in my opinion, no. Well, shit. So there's more so a logical earthly explanation for these things? Unfortunately, yes, for you, but for me, it's actually very interesting. The sun has had a bunch of coronal mass ejections going on the past 6 to 10 weeks. I'm talking about a lot more than we typically see. And within those CMEs are actually plasmoids. And we know that the Earth's magnetic field is slowly starting to deteriorate for numerous reasons, and I will not go into that because we could go on and on for days. So simply speaking, these plasmoids could be existing high up in our atmosphere and skies simply because the sun is shooting off CMEs, our Earth is slowly dying on the outside, and maybe, because as far as physics go it could explain it, these plasmoids are forming in the higher parts of our atmosphere, coming down to the lower parts, and then dissipating. Well, damn. Is there any chance that it actually could be aliens? Again, it could be. I'm no physicist. I just know things. And what we know about plasmoids is theoretically they could be used for interdimensional travel or a byproduct of doing such things. And they're also known to kind of be sentient. They come down, such as ball lightning, that's another example, and they interact with certain things physically and then all of a sudden disappear. I don't know. But what's crazy is we're not getting any answers from our government. People are freaking out. And I think this really just goes to prove that we're always going to be in the dark no matter what. So we need to do our own research and figure things out ourselves because we're never going to be told shit. Hey man, you seen all those videos of people seeing orbs in the sky, then all of a sudden they turn into drones? Yeah, and I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but that is not the case. Son of a bitch, I'm really getting tired of you debunking all these local theories. What is it? Well, it's a very simple explanation. When you zoom in on light with a dark background, it'll become distorted. This also has the same properties of light refraction, such as when you see yourself in the water and it looks like you're shifting to one side. As a matter of fact, I just took a video that can completely debunk that entire thing. Check this out. Dude, did you just simply use a streetlight in your backyard to completely debunk that entire theory? I sure did. And unfortunately, most people don't take the time to do their own research or run their own tests. This was simply done in a matter of about 10 seconds. Don't believe everything you see online. Do your research, due diligence, and make sure you're not being lied to just so somebody can be monetized on social media.
Something's going up real fast. A plane? I can't tell what it is. Whoa, is that moving quick? That could be a drone. I don't know what the hell that is. But that is quick. There's only one remaining right now. Whatever that green flashing one is, he moved quick around it to get it. Super quick. He's like right there with it. Oh, he's like right on it. Ooh, that whatever it was just shut down the drone, if that was a drone. Holy crap.
What the fuck is that? What the hell? Okay, something's going on. Something's going on. What is that next to it? A part of me is starting to maybe think like that red drone is someone's drone. Like someone here putting it up, like police or something like that. And the one above it is the unidentified drones. I don't know. That's not accurate. I am just saying my theory because that red drone is really low. It's kind of weird. And oh my God, look at that one going. What?
Yeah, that's it right there. Hold on, let me still get it. Let me still go focus in. You know that.
Jesus. God, I'm looking at this. I can't believe it. It's not a what's the name? Did y'all
Oh
see?
my God, there's more coming.
Look at this.
What is it? Planes don't look that color. There's a.
What are you doing?
I'm not doing anything. I just zoomed in all the way to the big satellite or whatever the fuck, the ball. See? It's moving.
What the fuck
You won't.
is that? Wait,
It looks like a ball with an eye. And then it will zoom in on us. Look. Yeah.
this is cap. This is cap.
See, now I'm going to, look, I'm going to zoom out.
Whoa.
Uh-huh. This, you know. And it won't be here for, it always
Here's a
leaves.
phone. All right.
the absolute most insane red I've ever seen in my life.
This is on. This is like honestly.
It's like right above, like towards the river.
This looks like apocalyptic, but so beautiful. This is facing the east along the St. Lawrence River in Ontario, Canada right now. It is 7:30 p.m. I mean, that is really something. What?
Okay, y'all, we got something bizarro going on in the sky right here. We got a flying thing. It's like a drone or something. Them flying drones they got in that New Jersey area. Oh, it's gone. Where'd it go? Okay, it's gone. Where'd it go? Oh, it's back. Okay, so I don't know what this thing is, but I have a mind to get rid of it. I don't like it hovering over. Oh, it's gone again. Okay. Oh, there it is. It's got like some light shining down, like some laser beam coming off the bottom or something. Yeah, I'm probably gonna call the authorities about this. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna get rid of it. Whoa! It just hit my tree. I'm gonna go look at it. This is probably government or something.
The orbs, or the quote-unquote UFOs, could be plasmoids. Now, first off, in my second video, I talk about plasmoids, and people are confused. They think it might be an alien, or it might be just a normal occurrence in our physical environment. But in all reality, this has been researched and documented over time. So if you look at Princeton University's Plasma Innovation Center, this place is co-run by the Department of Energy. And the Department of Energy, if you guys don't know, was also in charge of part of the Manhattan Project, which was aka the atom bomb. And if you look at how many people worked on the atom bomb or the Manhattan Project before anyone knew, it was kept really secret. And these type of facilities are always experimenting with different things. Now, if you look at what they're actually dealing with, they're actually dealing with a technology that is able to create a plasmoid. And that technology is the following. In their website, they talk about high energy density plasma. Now, these conditions are found in nuclear explosions and in the core of giant planets that are among the most extreme states of matter created on Earth. So they are essentially recreating these scenarios, and these scenarios can actually create plasmoids. And plasmoids are almost alien because we know nothing about them. We've only seen them in pictures. They're very elusive. But the crazy part is that they show signs of intelligence. So people are really freaking out about them. And if this happened in New Jersey, then the government would dispatch drones to research them, because there are quite a few of them, and it's something that everybody's been wanting to learn about, and it could be part of technology, weapons, defense, energy, a lot of things. So this is a big deal. Now, somebody asked me, why are they all over the planet? Well, these type of plasmoids could occur in natural situations, in volcanoes or high energy outputs. Just these things are also starting to pop up more in numbers and more in occurrence. And that's the troubling part, is why we're starting to see them more and more.